Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable or disable automatic sign-in on OperaGX. Now if you do not want your password manager on OperaGX to automatically sign you in, or you want it to, this is how you get to that option to enable or disable it. It's quite simple. From the home menu, click on OperaGX, the icon at the top left corner, then click on settings here after scrolling. Now if you look at it, there's how way you can get there. You can use the shortcut, keyboard shortcut, alternate plus P. Yeah, then you can also use the sidebar. So once you're here, use the settings, click on privacy and security, scroll all the way down till you see advanced. Click on advanced. Then you can see autofill and password. Click on password manager. Then once you get here, click on settings by the left, and then you can see sign in automatically. You can turn it on or turn it off. Now if you turn it on, it means password manager remembers how you signed in and automatically signs you in when possible. If you turn it off, you'll be asked for confirmation every time you want to sign in. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.